Hello friends, so welcome back. This is our day 9 of 365 days of coding and guys, one more thing. I know that only two people are watching my all this series video. So this is a good opportunity for you two guys. So you can ask your questions in the comments. So I will try to answer you in the upcoming video. So since questions are less, so it will be easier for me to explain you things, right? So with this, let's start this discussion. So today's problem in front of us is this, and if you want to read this problem, you can pause the video and read the problem. Meanwhile, I will write my understanding of the problem. Okay. So I have wrote my understanding. So what I understood from this problem is that we have given a recipe book. Okay. Now this recipe book tell us that there is a dish called lasagna, and this take around 40 minutes to fully get baked. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to write a program to find out how many more minutes we need to cook this lasagna so that it will fully baked. And it is given that lasagna already baked for some time in the oven. Okay, let's write our approach to solve the problem. Okay, so this is our problem approach. So what we are doing is, first we are asking the user to give us the time for which lasagna already has been baked in the oven. Okay, after that what we will do, we will subtract the input time from total baking time, which is 40 minutes, and finally we will print our result. Okay, so let me write a code so you will understand this thing properly. We have wrote our code. So what we are doing, we are first asking the user to take an input, so we are taking it inside this time in the oven variable. Okay, once we get that, what we are doing, we know that the total baking time is 40 minutes, so we are storing it inside total baking time. Then what is the remaining time? So the remaining time will be total baking time, which is 40 minus time in the oven, so that is the user input. Let's say it is 4. Okay, 4 minutes. Now 40 minus 4 will become 36, so the remaining time will become 36. Now print f, lasagna needs more 30 to get fully baked. Okay, so let's run this and see if we are getting the expected output or not. So we will say it is, let's say, 4 minutes. Okay, so we are getting some problem. Let's see what is the issue. Okay, so we can see that here is something wrong with the print is not defined. So okay, so instead of this capital we can write it a small p. And now let's run this again. For lasagna need 36 minutes more to get fully baked. Okay, and let's see if we give 30, then we should get 10 as an output. So let's run it again and let's give 30. So we are getting lasagna takes 10 minutes more to get fully baked. So this is the right answer we are getting. Okay, but if you want the answer like this, okay, so let's remove the unnecessary things. So okay, now run this. Let's give it 30 and we are getting 10. So this is how we solve it. Now let's see what we can improve in this code. So this code seems already optimized. The only thing which we can change is this baking time. So see guys, we already know the total baking time is constant, that is 40. Constant means it's not changing. Okay, so what we can do, copy this, put it here and remove this and replace this total baking time with 40 because we know that it is constant. Okay, now instead of doing the calculation inside this remaining time variable, okay, what we can do, we can directly do this calculation inside a print statement. So let's do it here and let's remove this line as well. Now let's run it again. Okay, it's running. Okay, let's input 30 here and see, we are getting 10. Now let's revise what we did. We read this problem description, we write down our understanding here, then we write our first approach to solve this problem, then we write our code to solve this problem, then we saw what can be improved in this code. So we write a second code, means the improved version of the code, and in both the code we get the same results. Okay, so this is how we solve this problem. So I hope guys you understood this problem. So let's meet in the next video, and you can comment down if you have any questions, and like the video, subscribe the channel. Let's meet in next video.